So I got here on the Studio X30, I got 3.9 running. Similar with the TC8, you got 3.9 running with that latest app. Now, I got here a laptop with the ability to share content. Also, I have here the HDMI in cable, which is going to that X30, and I got the USB cable right here, ready with the ability to share camera, speaker, and mic, the device mode with the X30. Now, let me show you where those cables are going to on the hardware. So here you see an X30. Here you see the HDMI input, which is also on the X50 and the G7500. And here you see that USB-C cable, which is to share camera, speaker, and mic with the laptop. And at the end comes at the table as a USB-A cable. Now, this scenario, I think very easy. I got here my laptop and I just want to have the ability to share something on the screen. So I'm grabbing here that HDMI cable, just put it in the laptop, just pretty straightforward. But that was something that was not available before, using it in native Teams. And here you go. You have the availability now of that content. And also you can go up and down and the responsiveness is very good. So there's always some bit of delay, but to share a presentation or anything, it is very much usable. Now, on the other end, what if I want to stop sharing? So you will see on the patch panel, you will see the option. If I click on more, you will see the option here to stop sharing. So I can always stop sharing if you want to first do something on your laptop without sharing, you can do that. And if I press share again, what you will see, it will show up on the screen because the laptop is still connected. That is one scenario. So just in a room, when you want to have the availability to share content very easily, you just put in that HDMI cable and you can do that. Now, the other scenario is using that USB cable, that BYOD scenario. Similar thing, we grab that USB cable and look what will happen to the Studio X30. What you will see right here, it jumps into the device mode. Here you go. So completely automatically it jumps into that mode. And what you will see now, if I, for example, grab my Zoom client right here, and let me go here to the settings. Let me try to show you that. If I now go here to video, here you go. And you see, I got that X30 now mentioning right there, Poly Studio X30. And now if I go to audio, similar, what you will see, you see also the mic getting audio. You see here as a speaker X30 and here as a mic X30. So I can use it now in Zoom, camera, speaker and mic, and reuse that with this device. Really nice. It detects it automatically, just plugging in the USB cable. There's no specific drivers or anything like that. Just plug in the USB cable and you're able to reuse it. Now, other scenario is sharing your screen. So when you are in device mode, I can also grab that HDMI cable, put it into my laptop, and now I'm both using camera, speaker and mic, but you also have the availability now to share your screen. So while you're in a Zoom meeting, you have the availability now to just share your screen also at the same time. So you can really reuse the complete device, X30, X50 and the G7500, and use that from my laptop here on the screen. I think a really nice use case available now with version 3.9. Now, here it comes. As soon as you unplug it, you can set a predefined timer to jump back. Now, I set it to immediately. So let me plug it out. And what you will see is now the device, the X30, will jump immediately back into that native Teams mode. Now the second option which I wanted to show you to jump in the device mode is on the TC8. So here you got TC8 and remember this side menu. Now there was not only the camera control, and so you have the visibility there for camera control to turn, for example, the tracking on and off, as you can see. So you can turn the tracking. You got also manual camera control. So here it will jump into presets and you can manually do a PTC there or set tracking on and off. Really nice. That was already available. But as you can see, we have also the device mode there now. So if you want to start the device mode there, it's just a matter of you click on it and this will also jump into device mode. And there's the mute button, you got volume control, and you can exit the device mode also here from the TC8. Or in case you got a touchscreen, you can do that also, of course, from the touchscreen. That was the second option to jump into the device mode.